May 1st, 1954, Seoul, South Korea. A former electrician named Sun Myung Moon registers a small religious group with just a few dozen followers. He calls it the Unification Church. He tells them he speaks directly for God. Then, within a decade, the group crosses into Japan, then into the United States, gathering thousands of young converts along the way. Because devotion meant labor, followers worked without pay, selling flowers on street corners and staffing businesses Moon controlled directly. By the 1960s, those businesses expanded into fishing fleets, weapons manufacturing, newspapers, and a university, with profits funneled back to Moon and his family. Governments began investigating. Former members described isolation from relatives, arranged mass weddings, and total obedience to one man. Still, the empire grew. By the 1990s, it spanned 4 continents, valued near $1 billion. The founder called it providence. Critics called it something else.